Overtake by Bamba. How do you do? Oh no, 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 no! Macau strikes again, and the horrible, horrible sight of Lauren Van Tor upside down and in flames. Touch the inside, just what Lyons did. That was the mistake. He tried to tuck in behind Bamba, then went too far to the inside, and there you see it. Look at the sparks flying inside the cockpit as well. Look at the wheels still.
Suddenly piece yourself back together now.
Gets position for the tight turn 6. And then contact into the barriers they go. Norby gets a hit. It is in fact Banani's car that basically almost came through Ted Bjork's windscreen. Brief fire, as he said, he hit the... And look how much you can see. Absolutely nothing. And then suddenly everything is stationary, and that was the hit. Guerrieri rather, shunned.
Our President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Sa piling mo, di ko mawawalaan. Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo para sa...
Pursuant to the clear directives of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte last March, equivocal stand, the CESA Board of Directors has resolved with finality all pending issues in accordance with the due process provision of CESA's Administrative Order on Condemnation Proceedings. Thus, all contraband luxury vehicles were legally seized and properly disposed of by CESA. In echoing the President's remarks last March 14,